batter down. Just gonna give it a vacuum here. Going to rough this up a bit, clean it up so it has a contact surface for the solenoid. Some sandpaper. The solenoid actually grounds on that, but I'm going to say that it does and just do it anyway. Looks good for my liking. All nicely shined up. Let's get the solenoid on there. Okay, here we go with the solenoid. That's where it was mounted before. I'm thinking a socket's going to fit in there. I didn't think it would, but I'm going to grab a socket instead. Okay, so that's a 3/8 socket with a small extension. There's the nut, so I'm going to throw that on. Oh, now I need the driver. I actually decided I'm going to throw a lock washer on there too. Why not? Then this old car probably rattles. There, nice and snug. That ain't going anywhere. Probably clean up these terminals a little bit too. Why not? Grab them off them, make them shine. this one too. Alright, that looks better. And that one's a new cable, and so is this one. So I don't have to worry about that. Okay, so the starter side goes here. So I'm gonna put that so it goes like that. That's about right. And then tighten that guy up. Gotta love metric and standard. Never mind, it was metric. Yeah, 13 millimeter. It's nice and snug, it's not going to hit anything, it's cleared. So that's good. So let's hook these guys up on this side. And we're going to start off with our battery cable. So we'll put that on first. Should probably get a new one of those too. Okay, then that one, that one. And that one. This guy on. Make sure nothing's hitting, which it's not. There. My wires are hooked up. Nice and snug. I'm happy with that. Nice and snug. A good tip, take a picture of it before you take it all apart. That's what I did. Even though I'm pretty sure I know where everything goes, but it's always good to have a picture. So by the picture, red wire goes here. And these are clip-on models, so that should still work. Yep, that'll clip on there. And I get the brown one over here. So there, we got. So this is to go to our starter. And then these are these solenoid switches for the ignition, I believe. These guys here, I'm not sure. This one is for the positive. And now we just got to get a battery in here. So snug, 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 snug. Everything's looking good. Probably going to need a new connection on this side. Fits nicely around there. Okay, so I got the battery hooked up. Had a little trouble with this one. I had to put a new bolt in it. Got a battery hooked up, cleaned. Everything's good. Everything's connected there. Going down to the starter. So crossing my fingers here that it'll go. I'll have to get the engine cleaned up later, but let's see if she goes. Hey, hey, it's turning over. Now for the start. It's been sitting for a long time.
Dream home open house starts off this weekend.
Hey, she's running. It worked. Woohoo! Right on, happy about that. Sweet. Just a little 302 in here, the original's a 289. like and subscribe below, or you can subscribe up here. Ciao for now.